Hello friends, I am Mr. Ravindra Bhalerao and I welcome you to my channel that is English for Learners. Dear students, today we shall learn about how to write the answers of open-ended or personal response questions. In this video, you will get some of the questions and answers from Standard 10th English Lower Level Unit number 1. But before watching this video, as usual I request you don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's begin open-ended or personal response questions. Unit number 1, lesson 1.2, that is an encounter of special kind. Question number 1, describe the surroundings of your native place. तुमच्या नेटिव्ह प्लेस म्हणजे जे जन्मस्थळ आहे त्याचं वर्णन करा. लेट्स सी द आन्सर. माय नेटिव्ह प्लेस इज सिरसाव विच इज इन उस्मानाबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट. माय विलेज इज ऑन द बँक ऑफ चांदनी रिवर. माय विलेज इज सराउंडेड विथ various types of trees. My village is a house of many birds and animals. Really, my native place is a beautiful place. Next question. Write an incident that left a profound effect on you. तुम्ही अशा प्रकारे एखादा इन्सिडेंट किंवा प्रसंग लिहा की ज्याचा तुमच्यावरती प्रफाउंड म्हणजे खूप मोठा प्रभाव पडला. इथे आपण शिकत आहोत की सिंपल सेंटेन्सेस कन्स्ट्रक्ट करून आपण पर्सनल रिस्पॉन्स टाईप क्वेश्चनचे आन्सर कसे लिहू शकतो ते शिकत आहोत. Let's see the answer of this question. Once I met a spiritual guide, B.K. Shivani. Though she was electronic engineer and gold medalist, she was very peaceful and have a true art of living personality. I was impressed a lot. Next question. How do you spend your summer vacation? Answer. Summer vacation is a matter of enjoyment for me. I spend my summer vacation joyfully and meaningfully. I play different games with my friends. I join handwriting classes and computer course. However, I visit different tourist places. I learn many new things in summer vacation. Next question. What different opportunities do the holidays provide you? म्हणजे सुट्ट्यामुळे तुम्हाला कोणत्या वेगवेगळ्या संधी अपॉर्च्युनिटीज तुम्हाला मिळतात. आन्सर. द हॉलिडेज प्रोव्हाइड मी डिफरंट अपॉर्च्युनिटीज लाईक 1. टू लर्न न्यू थिंग्स. 2. टू रीड व्हेरियस बुक्स. 3. टू जॉइन IT or medical foundation courses. 4. टू visit different tourist places. In this way, holidays provide new opportunities to me. Next question. How do you spend your summer vacation? Next question. Do you like to read various magazines and storybooks? Why? Answer. Yes, I like to read various magazines and storybooks because they enrich my knowledge. They are full of funny incidents. They provide a kind of fun and enjoyment to me. However, they develop my creative power. Next question. What type of books do you like to read? Why? Answer. I like to read comic books because they are full of hilarious and joyful incidents. They provide me a comic relief from daily burdens of study. They provide me some amusing situations. However, they give me some lessons of morality. Let's see next question. What will you do if you hear street dog barking furiously? Answer. If I hear street dogs barking furiously, I will open the doors of my house. I will see the reasons of barking dogs. Next question. How do you spend your afternoon time? Answer. I read various books. I watch TV programs. I play different indoor games with my siblings. However, I take rest for sometimes. Next question. Write 4 names of children's magazines. Answer: Kishore. 2. Sadhana. 3. Chandoba. 4. Champak. 5. Twinkle. Next question. What do you think about the efforts of writer to save baby langur? Answer: I think that the efforts of writer to save baby langur were right. They were proper efforts. However, they were done at right time. Next question. What will you do if you see a wounded animal? Answer: if I see a wounded animal, I will take that animal to my house. I will examine his injury. I will do some first aid to that animal. I will provide food and water to him. However, I will be extremely careful about that animal. Next question. What first aid would you give to the wounded player? Answer: I would see the wound of player at first, then would wash it with Dettol, then I would apply medicines on his wound. I would tie the wound with handkerchief. I would massage his body if required. Next question. Do you think first aid box is a need of every school? Justify your answer. Answer: yes, I think that first aid box is a need of every school. There are many students in school. They are engrossed in different activities. While doing various activities, they may get injured. Doing primary treatment is an important thing before medical treatment in such cases. Next question. What qualities of mother langur are revealed through this extract? या पॅसेजमधून किंवा या धड्यामधून मदर लंगूरची कोणते गुण इथे दिसून येतात? Answer: The qualities of mother langur like loving, concern, compassion, sympathy, thankfulness and carefulness are revealed through this extract. Next question. What do you think about the efforts of narrator to bring mother and baby together? Answer: I think that the efforts of narrator to bring mother and baby together were proper. They were right efforts, they were timely efforts. However, they exactly suited the situation. Next question. How do you convey thanks to your friend? Answer: I convey my thanks to my friend by saying to him, "Thank you very much. My present work is completely because of your timely help. I would like to get your help in my future work." Next question. Suggest your ideas of developing relationship with others. Answer: I think that the following ways will develop relation with others. Understand others' emotions and feelings. Respect others' feelings and emotions. Share your views to all. Accept others' opinions and impressions. Respect others' opinions and impressions. Be positive to all people. Next question. Do you think Mother Langur was concerned about the safety of baby langur? Why? Answer: yes. I think that Mother Langur was concerned about the safety of baby langur because she had deep love and attachment for her baby. She could not bear the loss of her baby. It was difficult for her to live without baby langur. However, it was natural for any mother. Next question. Write an incident which you will still fondly remember. Answer. When I was 7th standard, I participated in Sakal drawing competition. I achieved the first rank in all over Maharashtra. I found my name on the front page of Sakal newspaper. My joy knew no bounds. However, the principal and all teachers came to my house to congratulate me. I can't forget this incident even after 4 years. Next question. What should man do to develop relationship with animals? Answer. Man should develop relationship with others in the following. Man should show compassion and sympathy towards animals. Man should provide food to animals. Man should develop natural understanding and trust with animals. Man should be friendly and lovingly with animals. Alright, let's see some of the personal response questions and answers of the lesson 1.4, that is Be Smart. Question number 1. Do you like to go in gym? Why? Answer. Yes, I like to go in gym because I want to keep fit myself. I can get various instruments in gym for exercise. However, I understand different tricks to be physically and mentally fit in gym. Next question. What qualities are needed to be successful in life? Answer. Some qualities are needed to be successful in life. The qualities like hard work, endurance, determination, devotion, proper planning, proper guidance, vision, and practice are needed to be successful in life. Without these qualities, success is not possible. Next question. Do you agree champions aren't made in gyms? Justify your answer. Answer. Yes, I agree that champions aren't made in gyms because gyms strengthen our body. They make us physically fit and strong. In order to become champions, the things like vision, positive attitude, endurance, determinations are needed. Gyms are unable to cultivate such qualities in persons. However, gyms are for physical development but not for personal development. Next question. How do you set your goal? Answer. Setting goal is an important thing to be successful in life. While setting goal for myself, I think about my natural talent. I also think about the skills in me. Finally, I decide my goals with the help of talent, natural and skill in me. Next question. Why, according to you, is setting goals is quite challenging for some? Answer. According to me, setting goal is quite challenging for some because they do not understand about their natural talents. They have less will and skill. They have no idea of setting goals. However, they have a fear of failure. Next question. Write 4 former presidents of India. Answer. 1. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. 2. Pratibha Patil. 3. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And 4th one, Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma. Next. Write 4 former Prime Ministers of India, and the answers is 1. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. 2. Lal Bahadur Shastri. 3. Indira Gandhi. And 4th one, Rajiv Gandhi. Next question. What is your achievable goal during these years? How will you achieve? Answer. To get more than 90% marks in SSC examination is my achievable goal in this year. I will achieve it by hard work, proper planning and proper guidance. Next question. What will you do to reduce your weight? Answer. I will go to the gym regularly. I will go on morning walking. Walk every day. Will do yogasana and pranayam regularly. However, I will control my diet. Next question. Do you think there should be parameters around each goal? Why? Answer: yes, I think that there should be parameters around each goal because it increases the speed of our efforts in achieving goals. It will increase the focus to achieve goals. However, it increases our accountability in achieving goals. Next question: how far do you agree with the suggestions of the writer? Why? Answer: I completely agree with the suggestions of the writer because they are appropriate suggestions. They are right suggestions to achieve goals. However, they are acceptable suggestions. Next question: how will you encourage your friend to get success? Answer: I will encourage my friend to get success in different ways. I will praise his efforts to get success. I will appreciate his skills. I will tell him what should be done to get brilliant success. However, I will help him whenever I needs. Next question: how do you master your skills? Answer: I learn all basic things in my skills. Then I do a lot of practice to master my skills daily. I continue my efforts till I get perfection in it. Let's see some of the personal response questions and answers of the lesson 1.5, his first flight. Question number 1: what qualities of young seagull are revealed through this passage? Answer: the following qualities of young seagull are revealed through this passage. He was timid, he was afraid of something, he was cowardice. However, he had no courage. Next question: write an activity which you were afraid to do but later manage it. Answer: I was afraid of learning cycle. I was afraid of falling down from cycle, balancing cycle and of accident. But later I managed it with the help of my brother. Next question: do you like to learn any skill from your partners? Justify your answers. Answer: yes, I like to learn any skills from my parents because they have greater experience of life. They can teach any skill in a simple manner. They can teach different techniques and facts to develop our skills. However, it will be funny as well as interesting to learn from parents. Next question: what will you do if you are hungry and mother is not at home? Answer: if I am hungry and my mother is not at home, I will go to the nearest shop. I will buy ready to cook food. I will prepare a dish and enjoy it. Next question: how do you feel when someone calls you coward? Answer: when someone calls me coward, I feel upset. I feel uncomfortable. I feel nervous. However, I try to show my courage to him. Next question: what do you think about the efforts of young seagull's parents to make him to take flight? Answer: I think that the efforts of young seagull's parents to make him to take flight were proper. They were appropriate efforts. They were right efforts. However, they were suitable efforts in that situation. Next question: why, according to you, did young seagull's relatives not help him for food? Answer: according to me, the young seagull's relatives did not help him for food because they wanted to make him fly. They wanted to make him courageous and brave. However, they intended that he should find his own food. Next question: how do you feel after completing your achievement? Answer: I feel quite confident about my skills and abilities. I feel complete relaxed. I feel quite satisfied. However, I feel ready to complete another achievement. Next question: how do your parents help you in achieving target? Answer: my parents do everything for my success. They guide me about how to achieve success. They inspire me every now and then. They support me to do well. However, they are very careful about my health. So friends, I hope you might have liked this video. If you liked it, please share it. If you have any suggestions for me, please write in comment box. Wish you good day. Take care. Thank you very much.